Easy English practice. Small talk questions and answers. Related to work and study.
How long have you worked here?
I've been here for 2 years. How about you?
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's challenging but rewarding.
Are you working on any projects right now?
Yes, I'm developing a new marketing strategy.
What did you study in school?
I studied business management.
Do you enjoy working from home?
Yes, it's convenient, but I miss seeing my coworkers.
How do you stay organized at work?
I use a planner to keep track of everything.
Do you travel often for work?
Not really, but I've been to a few conferences.
What's the most challenging part of your job?
Managing tight deadlines can be stressful.
How do you handle stress at work?
I take short breaks and meditate to stay calm.
What's the most rewarding part of your job?
Helping clients solve their problems. Social life. Small talk questions and answers.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm meeting up with friends for dinner.
Have you been to any good restaurants lately?
Yes, I went to a new sushi place downtown.
Do you prefer staying in or going out on weekends?
It depends. Sometimes I like relaxing at home.
Do you like going to parties?
I do. It's always fun to meet new people.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I love trying new people.
What's your favorite type of music?
I really like pop music. How about you?
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm definitely a night owl. What about you?
Do you watch any TV shows?
Yes, I've been watching Friends lately.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas is my favorite. I love the festive spirit.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I love exploring new places and cultures. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more.